Hello friends, hearty welcome to you. So this is a 8th grade problem which I thought is a little bit interesting, so thought of sharing this with you. So let's have a look at this problem and see how we can solve this together. A man on his way to dinner shortly after 6 p.m. observes that the hands of his watch form an angle of 110 degrees. Returning before 7 p.m., he notices again that the hands of his watch form an angle of 110 degrees. Find the number of minutes that he has been away for dinner. So, a man just before going to the dinner looks at his watch and observes an angle of 110 degrees between hour's hand and minute's hand. He had his dinner, and after the dinner, if he had a look again, he sees that again there is a 110 degrees angle forming between hours and minutes hand. Now we have to find out how much time he has been away for dinner. So I have just drawn a simple watch here. Let us say this is a simple watch. So let's try to represent whatever we know from the problem. Okay. A man on his way to dinner shortly after 6 p.m. So I will say shortly after 6 p.m. So I just said it's like approximately 6 between 5 to 10 or 10 to 15. Approximately you can see that 110 degrees angle is formed there. So this is 110 degrees angle. Okay, fine. He had his dinner. And after the dinner he again looked back at the watch. So it's nearing 7 now. So let me say something like this, and this is 7. This is second position, and again he has observed another 110 degrees. So let me say this is how it looks like, and this is also equal to 110 degrees. Okay, right. This is the information we have been given, nothing else, and we have been told to find out what is the time he is away for dinner. So let's do one thing. What I will do, I will say this is MA. Let us say the time is from A to B. Let us say that before the dinner the minute hand is, let us say, at MA time. I don't know how many minutes it is, but it is 0 to 15. Similarly, this is 45 to 60. Let me say that's equal to MB. So MA, MB are nothing but the minutes, how much it has moved during the dinner. So if I know MA, MB, I can say MB minus MA. Let us say this is 10 minutes and this is 53 minutes. I know that 53 minus 10, 43 minutes has elapsed. That's one way of looking at it. And we also know that, let us say, the angle by which the hour hand has moved when the minute hand moved from MA to MB, our hand has moved from, let us say that it has moved from HA to HB, and let this angle be equal to X. Now you can see very clearly, if you observe, when the minute hand moves from MA to MB, the hour hand moves from HA to HB. Now how much angle minute hand has made between the first position and the last position? Let us check that. Since we have taken this as X, so let us say the minute hand moved by how many minutes? MB minus MA minutes. MA minutes. That's nothing but equal to, you can see 110 plus X plus 110, that's nothing equal to 220 plus X degrees. So the first position and the last position, the angle between them is 220 plus X degrees. Okay. Similarly, let's look at our hand and see what is the angle here. Initially, let us say HA, then it moved to HB. The hour hand moved from HA to HB. HA to HB. And what is the angle for this? X degrees. Okay, Right. Now we have the information with respect to degrees, but we have to convert it into minutes so that we can find out. Now if I know the correlation between the degrees and the minutes moved by hour hand and minute hand, then it's easily I can find out the value of x. Linear equations in one variable. Using that I can also find out the minutes. So for that, let's step back a little bit and try to understand this. So what we want to understand is like, so these degrees I have to convert to minutes. So let us see that. Let us take minute hand. Minute hand, suppose you are at 12. Again you come back to 12. How much angle you make? You complete the circle, right? So we say that 360 degrees, it takes minutes hand moves by 360 degrees if it has to cover 60 minutes. That means for 1 degree it's nothing but equal to 60 by 360 or 1 by 6. So if the minute hand moves by 1 degree, the time elapsed is 1/6 of minute. Or can I say that it moves by 6 degrees, the time elapsed is nothing but equal to 1 by 6 minute. Okay. Now let's come to the hour hand. If you see the hour hand, how many hours we have? 12 hours we have. 12, 3, 6, 9. And what is the angle between one hour to another hour? It's very easy, right? So we have total angle of the circle, complete angle is 360 degrees. And how many hours we have? 12 hours we have. That means 30 degrees. So if you look at the watch where the minute hand is at 12, again it comes back to 12. It will make 360 degrees. In the same time, the hour hand moves only by 30 degrees from 6 to 7. So hour hand 30 degrees, it will move in 1 hour or 60 minutes. If 60 minutes is completed, then hour hand will move by 30 degrees. For 1 degree, how much it will move? It will move 2 minutes. Now we have enough information, so we can convert these degrees into minutes. Now what it will be, looks like. 220 plus x degrees is nothing but equal to 220 plus x into 1 by 6. Now this is the time, that's nothing but mb minus ma, or how many minutes has elapsed, but that is also equal to how much minutes elapsed with respect to the hour hand. So can I say this is nothing but equal to 2 into x. Why 2 into x? Because 1 degree equal to 2 minutes. We know that hour hand moved by x. So we can equate this and we can simply find out what's the value of x. 220 plus x equal to 12x. That gives me x equal to 20 degrees. If I know x equal to 20 degrees, immediately I can substitute in one of them and I can find out the answer. If x equal to 20 degrees, 2x is nothing but equal to 40 minutes. So he is away for dinner for 40 minutes. We can also check it in other way. MA, let us say that 110 plus x plus 110, that's nothing but 220 plus x, which is nothing but equal to 240. 240 into 1 by 6, that is equal to 40 minutes. So he is away for dinner for 40 minutes. I thought this is an interesting problem, so thought of sharing this with you. Hope you liked it. Please let me know your feedback. Thanks for visiting. Bye again. See you again. Thank you.